If you're just getting into makeup, stop buying things you don't need. Today, I'm giving you the only 10 products you need to start your makeup journey. No fluff, no nonsense, just the essentials. Before we jump in, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Magdala, and if you love beauty, skincare, and all things romanticizing your life, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. It really helps your girl out. Starting makeup can be overwhelming. Like, do you really need a setting spray that costs more than your rent? What's the difference between a foundation or a tinted moisturizer? And why do they sell 14 different type of primers? Don't worry, today I'm breaking it all down with the 10 makeup products must have every beginner needs. Number 1, primer. Now, some people say primer is unnecessary, but some people has never had their foundation slide off their face by noon. Trust me, a good primer makes all the difference. If you have oily skin, go for a more mattifying primer. And if you have dry skin, go for something more hydrating. But guys, don't let them trick you into buying a $50 primer. You just need one that does the job. The one that I've been using a lot lately is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. It does the job and it's not expensive. But there are a lot out there that does the same thing and does not break the bank. Number 2, foundation or tinted moisturizer. Listen, shade matching is basically a science experiment. But once you find your shade match, game changer. If you want full glam, go for foundation, especially a full coverage foundation. Now, if you're more into I woke up like this vibe, then a tinted moisturizer might just be your bestie. Number 3, concealer. A good concealer will hide your dark circle, cover that breakout that popped up overnight, and make you look like you had 8 hours of sleep even though you only had 2. Get one that matches your skin tone for blemishes and one that's about 1 to 2 shades lighter for under your eyes. Number 4, setting powder. Without setting powder, your makeup will be out here sliding around like it's on a water park ride. If you have oily skin, grab a translucent powder. If you have dry skin, a light pressed powder will keep you looking fresh without drying you out. Number 5, eyebrow products. Eyebrows frame your face, so we cannot neglect them. Whether you love a full brow or just want to fill those sparse areas, a good brow pencil or gel will keep them looking snatched without looking too overdone. If you have fuller brows like me, you might want to go for eyebrow glue if you're just looking to keep them in place. The one that I've been using lately, it's the NYX brow glue. Number 6, mascara. If you don't wear anything else, at least throw on some mascara. It instantly makes you look more awake and like you have your life put together, even if you don't. Number 7, blush. Blush brings life to your face, okay? And no, you don't have to go overboard if you don't want to. Even though in my opinion, blush is never too much. But just a little pop of color make you look fresh and youthful. Number 8, bronzer or contour. Bronzer is the secret ingredient that makes your makeup look alive. It adds warmth and a natural glow so that your face don't look just one tone. A light dusting on the cheeks, forehead, and jawline will give you that effortless sun-kissed look. Number 9, lip products. Listen, dry, crusty lips are not the vibe. You need at least one lip product in your bag, whether it's gloss, lipstick, a tinted lip balm for that effortless, I'm naturally this cute look. Number 10, setting spray. If you want your makeup to last longer than your willpower at Target, setting spray is a must. It locks everything in, melt powder into your skin, and make your makeup look chef kiss. And that's it, you guys. 10 must-have makeup products for beginner. Did I miss anything? Let me know in the comment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more beauty and lifestyle content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.